Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Ally Bank's personal loans. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why do we need personal loans? Think about it. Life is full of unexpected expenses, a car repair, a medical emergency, or even just a down payment for a new home. These situations can throw our finances off track, leaving us scrambling to find the money we need. That's where personal loans come in. They offer a quick and easy way to borrow money, giving you the flexibility to cover unexpected costs or make major purchases. But not all personal loans are created equal, and that's where Ally Bank comes in. So, how does Ally Bank do personal loans? Well, unlike some other banks, Ally doesn't offer traditional personal loans directly to consumers. Instead, they partner with a network of trusted service providers, like doctors, dentists, and home improvement contractors, to offer financing options to their customers. This means that if you're in need of a personal loan for a specific purpose, like medical expenses or home repairs, you can work with your service provider to get pre-approved for an Ally loan. This can be a great convenience, as it eliminates the need to apply for multiple loans and simplifies the process. One of the key benefits of Ally Bank's personal loans is their competitive interest rates. They offer some of the lowest rates on the market, which can save you money over the life of your loan. Additionally, there are no origination fees or prepayment penalties, so you won't have to worry about any hidden costs. Another advantage of Ally Bank is their streamlined application process. You can pre-qualify for a loan online in just a few minutes, and the entire process can be completed without ever having to step foot in a bank branch. So, who is Ally Bank's personal loans for? Well, they're a good option for anyone who needs to borrow money for a specific purpose, such as medical expenses, home repairs or renovations, debt consolidation, major purchases like a car or down payment for a house. If you're considering a personal loan, I highly recommend checking out Ally Bank. They offer a variety of competitive options and a streamlined application process that makes it easy to get the money you need. In addition to their personal loans, Ally Bank also offers a range of other financial products and services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and investment services. So, if you're looking for a bank that can meet all your financial needs, Ally Bank is a great option to consider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, I'm always happy to answer your questions in the comments below, so feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions about Ally Bank's personal loans or any other financial topic. I hope this video has been helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.